Ito si Frosted, ang sire o ama ng kabayong si Heart of a Champion, isang US thoroughbred racehorse na may mga impresibong panalo sa derby at stakes race. Meron siyang earnings na $3 million sa kanyang mga campaign. Ito naman si She's a UFO, ang dam o ang ina ni Heart of a Champion, isang Australian bred racehorse. So ito ang first maiden assignment ni Heart of a Champion. So panoorin natin.
They're up. Star of the show, James Squeaker the Gate. Here comes Heart of a Champion over the outside. In between horses, Moderna is Heart of a Champion.
So sa tagpong ito, nakuha na ni Heart of a Champion ng bandera.
Show and Malbadan Island. And as they settle now, it's still Heart of a Champion. Released by some 5 lengths, followed by Moderna. Malbadan Island are running in third and dropping in fourth is Star of the Show. And as they pass half mile, it is still Heart of a Champion. Released by some 6 lengths now, followed by Moderna. Then another 6 lengths away, Malbadan Island and Star of the Show. And as they raise the far turn now, it is still Heart of a Champion, way out in front, followed by Moderna. And 5 lengths away now to Star of the Show and Malbadan Island. And as they pass the last 400, it is still at the favorite, Heart of a Champion, way out in front, followed by Moderna, Star of the Show and Malbadan Island. And down the stretch they go. Just an easy exercise for the top favorite, that's Heart of a Champion.
So ayun, nag-jogging nga lang si Heart of a Champion, banderang tapos.
Second, Star of the Show, Moderna and Malbadan Island.
To our first, number 5, that is Heart of a Champion. Nirenda ni Pops M. Cabalejo. Then masisigundo yung numero 1, Star of the Chase. Lobo replay. Wala na kang pinauna at malayo agad bumandera at malayo ring mananalo. Itong number 5 na si Heart of a Champion, largahan pa lang, mabilis na kumuha ng unahan agad ito eh. Heart of a Champion under Pops M. Cabalejo. At nasa segundo pwesto na dyan, yung number 1 na si Star of the Show. At yan, easy exercise nga. At easy winner ang gagawin dito ni Heart of a Champion.
Impresibo ang pagkapanalo ni Heart of a Champion. Kaya susundan natin ang mga susunod na takbo na itong kabayo na ito. Ito'y mainam.
So 5, malayo yung segundo eh. Mainam na kabayo talaga, Heart of a Champion. At yun na, 1, segundo, tapos 3, then 2, papangapat. Unofficial